Hi there, this is Kishore Mohan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today's category will be on wealth and we'll be talking about stock market. So, what's happening stock market right now? And let's see what's happening in Nifty, Indian stock market. So, many of us, I think past week, I think would have heard people saying Nifty is crashing, Nifty is going down, blah blah blah. The biscuit traders are losing money, lot of things. But what's happening in reality? Let's see, and what are the reason for it. So let's first see the Nifty levels first. So Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 from the levels of 18,350, around 350, it has gone down till almost 17,100 levels, 17,000 levels. Okay, it's almost a percentage down of 7.5% down from that level to this level of 17,100 and 17,000. So basically what's happening? Why is this selling going on? Why are the bears are in control, not the bulls? So basically couple of weeks back, just before this, US Treasury announced their US yields, interest rates basically. So the US bond yield has increased to 1.75%. Okay, let's put it in a simple way. Basically, these are bond yields. Okay, so bond yields are being now attractive. So what happens is that our foreign investors who are investing in our Indian stock market or equities see the attractive prices, the attractive rates of the US bond yields, and they would like to go back and invest in bonds. So they try to sell their equities. And why are selling now? One thing is the US bond yields have increased. One more thing is if you see our market fell hugely. This is the called crash. Our market crashed from almost 12,500 levels to almost 7,300 levels. A huge 5,000, almost 5,500 points crash. This is called as crash. Economic crisis like COVID or a big scam which happened before, Hashimita scam, if you know. This is when crash happens, a huge economic crisis or some big turmoil. But what's happening right now? This is a crash or correction. As per my view, this is a correction phase. So I told you it's a correction, right? So it has the rally has been tremendous from the COVID crash till now. That is still 18,600 levels, and now the last few I was 18,350 levels. It's a good rally. So that is why it's correcting now. And if you see, it's coming till the support zone. It's taking support here around 17,000 levels. It's a good sign. It's taking support here and slowly going back. So it's a correction phase. So basically what's happening is that now we know one side the US bond yields have given good amount, and yeah, I told you the rally has been damn good. That is from COVID crash, that is from 7,000 levels, it has gone till 18,000, almost 18,300 levels, and almost 7,000 in previous few weeks back. So it's a huge rally. So the foreign investors are sitting on a huge profit. Okay, and now they find yields, bond yields are giving better prices. So it's the right amount to exit from Indian market and invest in other financial instruments, bonds and etc. So they are in good profit. Obviously they start selling it, and obviously people who have bought here also got panic and they are selling it. So this is a good phase, correction phase. It's a good phase because prices are overvalued. The share prices have been very high prices. So corrections are always good in the market. But does this concern us? Well, if you are a trader, it's a big concern for you. If you had bought here and if you're going against a trend, well, but if you're good at short selling, you will make profits in falling market also. But let's see the retail investors who are just investing small amounts in the equity market. Is it good for us? Well, as an investor, it's the right time for us to invest more because there's a huge correction. Companies have come down to great attractive prices. You can add more shares. Okay, it's a good time for you. So don't panic. For investors, it's a good news. But all you have to do is carefully select the companies which you are investing in, which has good track record, which are in profit. Basically, good companies with better profit, net profits, etc. So be sure of that and invest. It's the right time to invest, even in mutual funds and in good companies. Don't panic. It's just a correction. Hope you invest now and I hope you have good profits in future. Well, Thank you and take care.